You speak confidentially. You speak House of Modern English.
Assalamualaikum to all of you guys. Starting with the great and the precious name of Almighty Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. And then I would love to pay thanks my parents, my teachers, because their effort have always made me powerful in every field of my life. And then I would love to pay thanks to chief guest and the judiciary and all of you guys who listening me right now, right here. Tonight my capture is there, fear of being Allah's human. See guys, when you're talking about the human, the name is come for the humanity. When in your heart a humanity is available, when you are the man, care about the human, thinking about the pupil, saving the pupil, do working each and everything for the humans, and give our last drop of our blood to your humans, and ready for a die for all our nation and for all over the world. That's called a human. And today the people, they are the man, a man who's speaking, is saying, I have failed to being a last human. Its meaning is considered, the man is afraid for that all the shapes. The man is afraid for all the traits and for all the problems which they have ready to face. See, this you all know when you're talking about a one common guy. When you are the man kid, you are the man, take the finger of your parents and keep run. When by guiding your parents, you can run. And by your guiding your parents, you can able to stand in that world. But when your parents teach, okay, you have to study and you have to do each and every work for your own nation. So you are the man, you ready, you fight for all over the world, for our nation and for our all over the world. But these all the ideas, it is we are keeping in our books. We are the man, afraid for all the trouble. See, today I am speaking. If I ask for any one of them, do you ready for that die for your country? No answer will come. Because we are the man caring about your own success. Today all the people, today we all the Pakistani, we are the man, keep running behind our success. Yeah, we are the man topper, we are the man, we are richer, we have all kind of luxuries, bungalow, cars, and each and every kind of luxury we have. And we are surviving our life with our family in a for a peaceful gardens and peaceful land. But these all the things will never come by, any kind of hard working. These all the things, if you really want to guide, if you really want to these all the things, so you have to die. See that your past history, the many of your legends, the many of your pupils, even your own grandfather, your elders, they are the man give blood to you, to your nation, and they are the man ready to die. And by these all the bloods, today you are the man alive. And by these all the bloods, today you are the man surviving your life in a peaceful nation. The same thing is ready today. If we are afraid for our trade, if we are afraid for all the problem, definitely no one come to our trade take out from this problem. All the world is seeing our dramas, all the world seeing what happened in our Pakistan. When you talk about any one of the abroad nation, when you talk any of the abroad people, what they are asking, did you are terrorism? Did you are the man who killing the people? That question is coming. The same question is coming, buddy. Why we are afraid? Why we are not become a human? Why we are not become a last human who ready for our nation? That's the question come towards you. Now up to you. How you are the man become a human? Yeah, you are the man same.
You can guys, come on.
Yeah, Mr. If you have a question, then yes, you can. Take your time.
See in France, one sweeper, he was cleaning the road. Unfortunately, he got accident. Today, their family having good life, their son, they having a good job. But if I talk about our country, Jansher Khan and Jagir Khan, they made our name as top. But today, they both are, they having no work. They are, they are sitting in a home. If I talk about Tiger Muhammad Ali Jinnah, founder of Pakistan, his home in his father. If you will go there, so near of his home, you will find that mud. If I talk about Major Aziz Bhatti, their daughters, their son, they are crying for what we say, a food. Now what we say, we should survive something for this country. But about abroad country, a sweeper, unfortunately got accident and he died. So their country having good life. But about our country, we did many of things, but inspired their child, they are crying for food. Now what we say, you should do something with this country or not, man?
Words of our common people, which we are taking. These words never gonna talk by, and we never told by any kind of legends, any kind of champion. See that the Qaeda said, "Okay, I am not ready. When my come to did my travel well. This family is ready. Then this Qaeda family. It is shout nation. We are the leaders. Our grandfathers do each and everything for our country. Now we are not surviving our life in that land. Today we are these four families surviving their life in that land. See that Allah my God. The man is speaking by his poetry. The man is not shout for the weapon, can take weapon and shoot my kill. No, by his pen is shouting, and by his pen he want to bring a peace. And in all over the world we accepted that Allah my God poetry. It is very precious and very peaceful in their world. The same to everybody. If you are the man ready, to remember this whole history with that relation is dead. If you are the man ready to repeat this whole history with your elders and your fathers and these all the people are dead. If you are ready, definitely you are the man who bring a change. Definitely we are the man bring a change in Karachi. Today we are the man crashing, cry for a peace, but no one ready to shout, no one ready to guard a bullet in their shoulder. People we are the afraid who go for us. No one ready to get a first step. The same thing, buddy. If you are crying, waiting for someone, no one come towards you. You are the man who can say, exactly where you are.
Right now you say that by giving life, we can have a developed country. So daily basis you would find so many patterns and so many disasters. They are daily losing their life. So by these all the things, will you have a developed country? And as I talk about Qaeda Azam, the man gave freedom to this land. I asked you question, why in 1948, when the man was about to die, there was not even a proper ambulance to make the man visit in the hospital. There was no any ambulance. So it means it proves if today the man become enough with this nation, so the responsibility that the man would not get anything. And as in your presentation you say that today each and everything to a kid teach by his parents. Today the worthiness of parents is not shown by you. That today the man should be great for his parents, that those they are honest with you. But this nation is really dishonest with everybody. But the words are given by you that we should be honest with this nation.
What your own leaders teach. You can make the flower of garden, but you can never make any kind of weapons. See that the people, they are the man killing you. You are the old standing. How much bullet in a one weapon? Only 26, 27. But these whole thousands of people are there. How much you are killing the people? This whole the land is going to become a fertile land. But in this land you can never bring a brutality. That's all of Losma, and that's the mentality over these peaceful land. The same and these all the peaceful people. Today we are the man ready to die. We are ready to kill someone. If someone is come towards you, okay, you are the man ready to kill someone to for country. You can never say, I am a man who live in a home. I spend my life by peaceful. That's the thing, buddy. Today you are see the soldier. They are the man ready to give his all the blood to his nation. What you are lesson guard from that your own soldier. Nothing are there, buddy. Today you are the man taking using this all the people which is ready to die for their country and keep it on the hand like a tissue paper and throw it, buddy. What benefit of these all the people? I really say that thanks to you that you stopped, otherwise that years were near to come that such a motivational speech or a motivational presentation man has given, saying that here the Pakistani people, they are not ready to die. Mr. What is your name? Ahmad. Don't forget, Ehtijaz Hasan, man who was just a student but gave his life to save the people, to save the student that from where he was born, from this land. You are saying that our forefathers, our ancestors, they were ready to die. So you took the name of Mr. Allama Iqbal. I can prove by one poetry that in that poetry he has written that I am not ready to die, but I'll be alive and I'll awake this nation. So these were the philosophy of those men. But you are saying give your life and not be appreciated. We will not be appreciated by another. So what is the benefit of us? You are not remembering even Ehtijaz Hasan. So what the hell? People will remember you, man. According to my presentation, which no I can't benefit because my by one man is mine. The same thing, buddy. By one knows few words, by my common people words, this man is mine. So why we are not fighting for this whole religion? Why we are not fighting for the burning of that Allama Iqbal? See that man is alive, he wants to alive and for making the nation. But today you are the man alive. When you are dead, that's portion of you. Today you are the man. Today you are alive, not ready to die. But in this alive life, can you able to do change? Can you able to change for your country? Nobody. That question is come towards you, buddy. That's all the in our country. You find many kind of people there. When you talking about this all the nation, see all the people they want to bring peace without any kind of trouble. See that this Albert Einstein say, you can never bring a peace by force, but you can bring a peace by understanding. How many understanding are in the country? Nothing understanding are there. Today you are the man fighting on the caste and creed. You are the man, not say we are the Pakistani. We are the man distributing the food provide and say we are the man belong for these provide. So what the very for these things, buddy? Today you are the man. Never bring a unity. So how you possible? You are the man successful. Today you are the man. See that him we make a tiger of the Asia. Why where is your tiger, buddy? You can never make a dog of these.